So yesterday we started this assignment where we were creating these monsters and these cute animals, really relying on this concept of shape tools, arrangement, shape builder, and color and fill. But here's the thing, sometimes shapes are not exact shapes. For example, I'm going to zoom into this little green monster over here on the right. And the base of the monster, it looks circular, so I would assume that if I took my ellipse tool, I'm purposely going to make the inside clear so you can see. But if I did this, right, and then I took my selection tool, and I kind of squished it a little to try to match it up perfectly, it didn't matter how many times I did this, I'm not going to get it to match up, and that's really frustrating. But we have learned in the past that sometimes we need to move a piece of a shape and not the whole thing. So a reminder, the black arrow, our selection tool, allows us to resize an entire thing. But this white arrow right underneath it, the direct selection tool, lets us move pieces. In this case, I want to click on these little dots. Now, unlike working with straight lines, when you work with curved lines and you click on an anchor point, you get these two little handles. It looks like a seesaw. They are called Bezier curves. We'll learn those when we learn how to draw with the pen tool. For now, try to just be really careful not to click on these parts. Click on the anchor point themselves, kind of pull where would match up this image the best. Now the top doesn't match up, so let me grab this one and pull it up a little bit. So you can kind of see how I can take an idea of a shape and then mix it with the direct selection tool to get something a little bit more precise.